Sharing my settings with my family is easy, so everyone can help manage the air conditioners at home. There are two options to share the settings with: QR or email. First, let me show you how to share with QR. At the home screen, tap on the room that you would like to share. I'll do my bedroom. Tap on Owner Settings, then select Device Sharing with QR code. Over here, just assign a username. I'll be sharing this to my mom's device. Make sure to select Allow both monitoring and controlling device so that the new user may have control. Then tap on Share this device. The app will then generate a QR code. I'll just share the QR to Mom and it's done. Now over here to my mom's phone. To scan the QR code, just tap on the plus button. In here, select Device Sharing. After that, tap on OK. Now just scan the QR code to complete the registration. And done! The new user will have access to control the shared device. Next, sharing through email. At the home screen, tap on Menu, and then select Device Sharing. In here, I can pick and choose which room I want to share. Once you're done selecting, just key in the username, like before, and tap on Share this device. Select Mail. The app will automatically generate an email, and all you have to do is key in the email you want to share to. Then hit Send. Over here on my mom's phone, she has received the device sharing email. Open the email and there will be a link. Tap on the link, and it will launch the Panasonic Comfort Cloud App, and the shared devices will be on the home page. After sharing, you'll receive a shared confirmation notification. You can also check the notification tab in the app. Anytime I need to manage access, I can check the users for each device. I just tap the arrow on my app, go back into Owner Settings, and select User List to view or update permissions. Easy breezy with Comfort Cloud. Now everyone at home can manage their air conditioners at their fingertips.